I've just put the paper up on the screen, but I'm going to start with, I'm just going to use a whiteboard at the moment. Right. Okay. Do you all recall certain little bits, like, for example, x squared? What does x squared mean? What does x squared mean? You'll remember? X times x, says Nifemi. X times x, perfect. So that means x times x. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good. Now, do you all recall, what about if I said x cubed times x to the power of 4? What does that give me? Do you remember? I think we might have touched on this a little bit, but what does that give me? Anybody remember? X to the power of 7. Ooh, x to the power of 5, says Janadu. Now, where are you going to get x to the power of 5 from, Janadu? X to the power of 7. Good. Okay. Okay, you got it. So don't forget, when you have the same letter, right? The same letter, when you multiply, you add the powers together. Is that all right, Daisy? Tyra, is that all right? Yep. Tyra says, yep. Daisy, is that all right? I assume Daisy's gone a bit quiet, but that's okay. Good. Okay. So now, what about this one then? So what I want to see now then is, what about if I have 3x to the power of 5 multiplied by 2x to the power of 3? What's that going to give me? It's multiply, Chinadu. It's multiply. It's a little clue. Good. You got it. You got it. Tyra, Nifemi, is that right? So it's 3 times 2. Yeah, is that right, Chinadu? So don't forget, it's multiply. So it's 6. And then you can add the powers. Is that all right? All clear? Okay. Okay. Uh, let's take this one stage further then. What about if I had w to the power of 10 divided by w to the power of 3. What's that? All right, Tyra? What's that going to give me? You all right, Tyra? Okay. All right, guys. So W to the power of 10 divided by W to the power of 3. What's that going to give me? W to the power of 7. Good. Tonight. Good. Good. Yeah. The family. Is that right? W to the 7. Good. So when you multiply, you add. When you divide, you subtract. Green again. let me go back to the uh, worksheet rather. Recently shared worksheet. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Is that okay? So yeah, because inside, right? So everything inside your bracket gets affected by this power on the outside. Is that all right? Um, yeah. Is that okay? Makes sense? Okay, I'm going to take a little jump down here slightly. That's all right, Jessica. All right, don't worry. It's the first one back, so there's a few things we've got to we're going to have to get sorted out. Okay. Collect together the like terms. What are you going to end up with? Okay. Now, do you mean X, Sinead, or is that multiplying? I'm assuming you mean X. Another thing to bear in mind when it comes to algebra, don't forget, of course, there is no number in front of this second term, as it were, but that just means it's going to be a 1. Is that all right? So the first thing you can do is 5 times 1. Is that all right? The next thing you can do, like Sinead said, is collect the similar terms together. So if I've got X to the power of 4, and X to the power of 2, can you see that's going to be X to the power of 6? You add the powers together. Is that okay? And then likewise, if you've got Y to the power of 3, and you're going to multiply that by a Y, can you see that? That's going to make that Y to the power of 4. Because again, if There's no power it doesn't mean it's zero. It means that it's going to be power of 1. Is that all right? You're right, Sinead. Keyboard was frozen. Five x to the power of 6 y to the power of 4. Yes. You got it, Daisy. Is that all right? Yeah. Felicia, Jessica, is that okay? Jessica says, yep. Fantastic. Nifemi, is that all right? Yeah. So you can only join together. You're right, Chinadu. You can only join together the similar terms. So you can add the powers of the similar terms, and that's it. Is that all right? Okay. Okay, I'm going to keep going then. Let me find some slightly different ones. Let me go down the page a little bit. Let's go on to the next page. Okay. So then what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a you're going to be doing a combination of these things. Can you all see that okay? See that one okay? That's all right, Sinead, don't worry. You're right, though. You all see that one okay? So I've got 45e to the power of 6, f to the power of 8, all over 5ef squared. So all we're doing is we're just adding, effectively, more and more bits to this thing. You're still going to do things, excuse me, whereby you're going to add the powers or take the powers away. So first things first then, can you see? It's going to be 45 divided by 5. So what's 45 divided by 5 going to give me? 9. Is that right? So that 5 cancels out that 45, making 9. Is that okay? Yep, you got it. So that means I'm going to end up with a 9 on the top. Now, let me just change the colour of my pen. So I've got e to the power of 6 on the top, and I've got e to the power of 1 on the bottom. So when you're dividing, what you do is you subtract the powers. Now, be careful, Sinead. Where are you getting the 2 from? I'm assuming your keyboard's frozen. It's going to be 9, 9e to the power of 5 tickly throat now. 9e to the power of 5. Excuse me. F to the power of 6. Is that right, Chinadu? Is that right? It's F that's going to be to the power of 6. E plus E. But don't forget, Chinadu, this is going to be E to the power of 6 divided by E to the power of 1. Let's do that one again. Let me do that one again. Oh, I think you might. I got it, Chinadu. Right. Okay, Daisy. Which bit, Daisy? Remember, Chinadu, you can only join together the similar terms. So, because you've got E to the power of 6 on the top. top, that line in between them means division, right? So you've got e to the power of 6 divided by e to the power of, well, 1. Is that all right?